Good morning, friends. This is Tantrik Aghori Mahabrahmanand. So, today I want to disclose something about my nature. First of all, I want to tell you that in my previous videos, I told you as that Ravana is one of my greatest, one and one only son, and one and one only daughter by Durga Devi and me during the time of Satyug. We were having a family. So during that time, as I told you, one elder daughter I have and younger son, um, Ayappan Swami, or you can say that later on he will be name as a Ravana. So my daughter is Saraswati. It doesn't mean that I told you in my previous videos. It doesn't mean if you get a name that nature should be like that only, or you are known for this worship only. Like Saraswati is having worship for Gyan, and Lakshmi is only worship of money, wealth, and other gods are like from denoted by some of their nature of work. Isn't it? But it's a factor. But we can't be we can't be go out of the subject of the box that they have also have a life. Like I am, people are very misconceptions about myself that how he can say that if he is a god and Lord Jagdish and Lord Shiva and Shiva Shiva and all that things he used to tell in our day-to-day life, he is always, and how he'll manage it when he went out. Somebody people are like, I'm not pointing that some of the people can't understand and put their opinion on me that can do this, you can do that. I hate that such things because I don't need anyone's help. Okay, whatever these things is going on, like I told you, Vaishali Basuran is a Saraswati Roop. If you go and disturb her, her lifestyle and life process, of how she is living in a day-to-day life, so it's kind of a disturbing moment for her also, and by if she hurts, then I hurts myself, and not in a situation of pain and all that, but the thing is like that ki, you have to understand it. It's a simple thing. If in a simple way somebody I heard somewhere how the uh, the movie actor or actresses play the role. When they play the role, till the time they are in it, their uh, nature of their work. After that, they leave and they went back to into a normal life. And a normal life. Same like me also. If I am making a video, it doesn't mean that I am not having a life, because I am also having a life. Without having a life, I can't be survive because it's not also a split personality, split uh, personality behavior, because there are so many things in psychiatric moment where we have to face it off, because somebody says why, because I'm saying that I am a ansh of a god. It's a big time time to take that to understand the people that isn't possible that gods are there. If I would be in step of you, then I don't think if because I am the devotee of Durga Kali, in a personal way, I am taking in your way, your steps. If I would be and in your side, then what I can say that it's a truth thing. When somebody is saying, don't examine his behavior, don't examine each and every step of his movement. Don't examine his behavior, because behavior is a literal things. Like right now, in a dark room, in a shut room, everywhere is the energy is consumed. Air is this. When I told you, I work as a philosopher also and a guru also in that tapasya, in that since from my toddler years, if she is coming into me, then it's something mannerful way. Yesterday I went to Yellamata Renuka Devi temple and Tarapit, Tarapit Shakti, who is my, she is the one of my uh, guru who teaches, who gave me the name of Mahabrahmanan. Okay, come to the point of the chapter. Okay, who is the Mahabrahmanan? I said Maha means Mahakal or Mahadev, and Brahma means Brahmacharya, and the third part is Brahmacharya means without wasting sperms and all that. It's a Mathuni Kriya or whatever sex is there and all that. So that comes into it, and Brahmacharya. It's not related to a Brahma who is creating something, and you don't split it out. You are doing in a okay. I will tell you one thing. Okay. Okay, later on I will tell. And Nand means Dashanand or Nand Kishore or Nandi. It's come to this kind of a thing. My name is pronounced. So if you, what is the problem in between the Hinduism? Because we have lots of we found lots of uh, worship to do that. If somebody went to a silent place, he put some uh, statues or some other things and say, "This is your God, this is saint also God, this sannyasi also God, this sadhu also God, this aguri also God." I don't know. I told you clearly, my puja doesn't happen, doesn't take step. Yeah, you can go with the shivling and all that. That is enough. But my puja, my image and all that, kept in a room and puja and all that, and that's not appropriate for anyone. This is for youngers and elders and middle class people. You have to understand it. Okay, come to the point directly. Uh, Yesterday, I was I was in my meditation period of time, because during this time also I woke up around 3 or 3:30, and because of meditation and all that. So anyway, because my problem was un, unhealthy sleep, so that is why the thing I admitted in hospital, and also for the drinking habit of lot of drink I had. So because of that, they are treating me with the meditation is two different things. Meditation means yoga, and meditation means pills and all that taking and all. I'm running out. It's happened around uh, 2 months. I had without touching alcohol and all that. So it is great. So I'm taking the things in a positive way, because I have to trust them, and without believing somebody, you can't do that. Anyone? Okay. So let's come to directly a part of the Ganesha. I was used to say that Ganesh का सर रावण को लग गया and रावण का धड़ मुझे मिल गया and I love things. Because of that, because uh, I never put in my race towards the one rupa of Vishnu or Sri Krishna, that they say that they taken so many of roop like Narasimha, Vara Avatar, Matsya Avatar, and a lot of is his, its roop only. One of the roop on avatar is also Ganpati, Ganesh. He can take the avatar without cutting head and all that. So, so you can say that who is the beginner of the nature. See, see, I tell you one thing very clearly. If suppose that there are 10 not 5, okay, 5 different 5 different person is sitting back, showing you backwards from your back, and their jersey written their name and number. So what you do? If you say 5 number and first number's name, then who will look at back? Who will look at back? Is that 5 number jersey on and the first number jersey on, wearing jersey with the name? You call name of the first number and you call the name of fifth number. Who will look back? If I think they are sitting and calmly doing some work, so both of them look back. Why? Because of their identification. That is the truth. I have many names, but one name is like a captain's name. I am into in a other way. If suppose this is our flag, national anthem flag. It is having 3 colors and one Ashok Chakra. So what do we say? We say like oranges, Bhavarang, and pray and start national anthem. No. So that is the reason it's a united. It's a united inside me. It's not a separate thing. It's a united thing around me. So the same thing happen with your decision making things. I'm the only one. Okay. So now come to the point of Ravana. Ravana was misbalancing his heads because he is having 10 heads. Everyone knows. Light is went off. See, Ravana is having 10 heads. Okay. So, my dear friends, when when we calculate nine nine heads and one head, simple. So if we calculate, then 9 2 ja 18 first, to support 9 here 9 here 18, and one single head which he was having means 9 18 17, 7 into 8 8, nothing is standable. Okay, so 9 to the 18, 18 here in the left side, 18 and one head, and then right side 18 means 18 18 36 or first head 37. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Dashanand. In such a way, he is balanced right now. He was my son, Yamraj. And my personality is different, my work is different, and his son is uh, Shani Maharaj. Okay, Nilanjan Samavasham Yagarjam Ravipatam Tanam Visheshan Chayana Mama. Om Bhurva Sadhana Bhagavadeva Siddhime Dhyana Vichardaya. Nilanjan Tramkam Vijamaya Subhani Pashivadhanam Guru Arkamaya Vandana Matrimakshya Manadam. Light will come and no, I don't know here. See, at the point of when we discussing about Ravana, the power got off. And anything else I wanted to tell you is, so don't misconsume about the things and be happy and healthful with joy and all that. And rest of the things will come and all that I shown you in a process way it will come. And when you go to my previous videos, you will get out all the documentary and data in a safe way. And should I leave and think about you? And okay, I'm leaving right now because light will come when I don't know, and when in this way, I'm not feeling. It's not comfortable, but it's okay. I have some. Except uh, yesterday, he got happy with me with my decision and calculation method to understand how I can be stable around now. So okay, I think I have to leave because I don't think so. Current will come and not when it will come, and simply wasting the data of that time and data of yours. Okay, say Har Har Mahadev to me, or Mahakal to me, or whatever you can say that, or Tantrika Gauri Mahabrahmanand. If any doubts and difficulties, please solve out with yourself. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time, and I am happy with my well wishers and non well wishers. Please allow me a time to take and leave a section in between. Thank you so much. Say Har Har Mahadev. Om Bhadrakali Namah.